Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guide. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of February 2024 for all the Aries Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of February 2024 for all the Aries Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Sun controls your fifth house, and right now in the month of February, Sun is right now moving in your 10th house in the sign of Capricorn. Fifth house is with your children, your love relationships, your early education is seen from fifth house. Your girlfriend, boyfriend means your love relationship is also seen from fifth house. Your early education till college life is seen from fifth house. Your fun activities and your position means your post workplace is also seen from fifth house. So in the month of February, your fifth house lord is moving in your 10th house. 10th house deals with your work. Your superior is seen from 10th house at your workplace. Your work environment is seen from 10th house. How good you are in your work is seen from 10th house. How far you can go in your career, in your life is also seen from 10th house. How much authority you will have in your life is seen from 10th house. How much fame you will have in your life is also seen from 10th house. So in the month of February, your 5th house lord is moving in your 10th house and sun will stay in your 10th house till 14th of February. After 14th of February, sun will move to your 11th house in the sign of Aquarius where Saturn is already moving. So till 14th of February, we can expect you will get good result regarding your work-related matter because as we discussed previously, 5th house deal with your position, your mental abilities, your intelligence. Right now, your 5th house Lord Sun is moving in your 10th house, so we can expect you will get some promotions, some increment. If you are looking for some post at your workplace, then we can expect in the month of February you will get it. Also, if you are a politician, then we can also expect good result you people in the month of February, especially before 14th of February till sun is moving in your 10th house because 6th house lord, house of competition lord, your Mercury is also moving in your 10th house and your ascendant lord, first house lord Mars is also moving in your 10th house. So that's why in the month of February, especially till 14th of February, we can expect good result regarding your work related matter, regarding your fame related matter. If you are some celebrity, also we can expect good result if you are taking some part in some competition like election, some competitive exam because your 6th house lord and 5th house lord already moving in your 10th house till 14th of February. After 14th of February, Sun will move to your 11th house in the sign of Aquarius, where 11th house Lord Saturn is already moving. So after 14th of February, when Sun will move to 11th house, then we can expect great result for your 5th house related matter as we discussed previously regarding your children, regarding your education related matter. If you are in education life, also we can expect great result regarding your love relationship if you have any love relationship in your life. Because after 14th of February, Sun will stay in your 11th house and from 11th house sun will also expect its own house means your 5th house. That's why we can expect great result. Also your 5th house lord will be moving in the house of gates and the house of fulfillment of hopes and wishes. That's why we can expect good result from sun for all the Aries ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Aries ascendant people, Mercury controls your third house and your sixth house, and right now Mercury is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Capricorn. Mercury just moved from your ninth house to 10th house after 2nd February 2024, and Mercury will move from your 10th house to your 11th house after 20th February 2024. So Mercury is just moved from your ninth house to 10th house after 2nd February 2024. Third house deal with your cousins, neighbors, childhood friend is seen from third house. Your younger brother and sister is seen from third house. Your efforts, how much effort you can put in anything in your work is also seen from third house. Mainly your efforts, your communication, your hands and hand skills is seen from third house. Sixth house deal with your court case, litigation, arguments, your fights, your daily routine in context of your work is seen from sixth house. Loans means how much debt you will have in your life. Your loans, your debt is also seen from sixth house. So right now your third house and sixth house lord is moving in your 10th house. And as we discussed previously, right now Ketu is moving in your sixth house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. So Mercury is right now taking Ketu's energy in your 10th house from your 6th house, and also your third house lord is moving in your 10th house. But right now your 10th house is in a strong position because Mars, your ascendant lord, is also moving into 10th house, and Mars is in an exalted position because Mars is exalted in Capricorn sign, and right now Mars is moving in Capricorn sign in your 10th house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your efforts related matter at your workplace, because third house lord is moving in your 10th house. Also from your any competition and court case, if you are facing any difficulties at your workplace, you will overcome these difficulties at your workplace easily in the month of February, because Mercury will have the support of Mars and Sun in your 10th house. So we can expect these results from Mercury till 20th of February. After 20th of February, Mercury will move to your 11th house. So when Mercury will move to your 11th house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already moving, then we can expect great result regarding your efforts related matter, regarding your court case, competition, argument, fights related matter. All the things will turn to your favor, because Sun will also moving in your 11th house after 14th February 2024, as we discussed previously in Sun section, and Mercury will join Sun in your 11th house after 20th February 2024. That's why we can expect great result regarding your court case, litigation, and etc. All the six house related matter in the month of February, especially after 20th February. Also, we can expect great result regarding your cousins, childhood, and your get-togethers related matter in the month of February, especially your communication related matter after 20th of February, when Mercury will move to your 11th house, because Mercury, third house lord, will be moving in your 11th house. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Aries ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Aries ascendant people, Venus controls your second house and your seventh house, and right now Venus is moving in your ninth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Venus will stay in your ninth house till 11th of February. After 11th of February, Venus will move from your ninth house to your 10th house in the sign of Capricorn. Second house will be your family history seen from second house, your money matters, your bank account, your savings in the form of money, in the form of jewelry, in any form is seen from second house. Your speech, your food intake habits are also seen from second house. Seventh house will be your marriage, your spouse, your legal binding is seen from seventh house. Your contracts, your business partnership is seen from seventh house. Your fame along with 10th house is also seen from seventh house. So right now your second house and seventh house lord is moving in your ninth house till 11th of February. So till 11th of February, we can expect great result regarding your savings related matter and your money related matter, because Jupiter is moving in your first house, and your second house lord, which controls your money matters, your saving, your bank account, is right now moving in your ninth house in the house of luck. And Jupiter from your first house also aspecting your second house lord from its ninth aspect. That's why we can expect great result regarding your marriage related matter. If you're married right now, also we can expect good result regarding your business related matter, because Jupiter is aspecting your seventh house and second house lord is your ninth house. After 11th of February, your second house and seventh house lord will be moving in your 10th house. So as we discussed previously, so after 11th of February, when Venus will move to your 10th house, then we can expect great result regarding your earnings related matter at your workplace, because as we discussed in previous videos, second, sixth, and 10th house is always connected to your earnings and your money matters somehow, because from sixth house we see your daily routine, from second house we see your bank account and your wallet and your pocket, and from 10th house we see your work, especially your job, what work you will do in your life is seen from 10th house. So we can expect good result regarding the money related matter in the month of February, especially after 11th of February, when Venus will move to your 10th house. Also, your 7th house lord will be moving in your 10th house after 11th February. So, as we discussed previously, 7th house also deal with your fame related matter, your get together, how you will meet others and how others perceive you seen from 7th house. So, your 7th house lord will be moving in your 10th house. Venus will increase your fame at your workplace after 11th February 2024. And if you are some celebrity or politician, then we can expect great result regarding your fame related matter in the month of February. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Aries ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Aries ascendant people, Moon controls your fourth house, and right now Moon is moving in your ninth house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of February, and on the basis of 6th February we are predicting for whole month. because moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. And especially problem will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planets. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Mars controls your first house and your 8th house. And right now in the month of February, Mars is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Capricorn. Mars is just moved from your 9th house to your 10th house after 6th February 2024, and in the whole month of February, Mars will be moving in your 10th house in the sign of Capricorn. And your ascendant lord in the month of February is in the exalted position because Mars considered as exalted in the sign of Capricorn. And right now Mars is moving in your 10th house in its exalted position. Mars is your ascendant lord. That's why we can expect great result in the month of February regarding your health related matter, regarding your work related matter, regarding your fame related matter if you are some celebrity or politician in the month of February. Also, we can expect good result regarding your workplace. Suddenly, you will get some good news regarding your workplace if you try for some position, as we discussed previously regarding Sun, because your fifth house lord, your position, your post fifth house also represents position at your workplace. Means your post represented by fifth house, and right now fifth house lord is moving in your 10th house, and your 8th house lord, which is also your ascendant lord, is moving in your 10th house in the month of February. So we can expect great result for you people in the month of February for all the Aries ascendant people. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Aries ascendant people in the month of February. We will have four major astrological events in the month of February. As we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 10th house, and Sun will stay in your 10th house till 14th February 2024. After 14th February, Sun will move to your 11th house in the sign of Aquarius. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 10th house, and Mercury just moved from your 9th house to your 10th house after 2nd February 2024, and from your 10th house Mercury will move to your 11th house after 20th February 2024. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 10th house, and Mars is just moved from your 9th house to 10th house after 6th February 2024 in the sign of Capricorn. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 9th house in the sign of Sagittarius, and Venus will stay in your 9th house till 11th February 2024. After 11th February, Venus will move from your 9th house to your 10th house in the sign of Capricorn. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of February 2024 for all the Aries ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.